So, good morning, students. Today we start our next topic in class 7, democracy and equality from civics part. As in your this chapter, the first paragraph that is regarding the independence of India. That when we got our independence, that is on 15th of August 1947, after the 200 years of foreign dominations, and after that we frame our own constitution. The number of people working behind this one to frame the constitution. Before we start the chapter or from the constitution, first of all we try to understand the two words, that is the democracy and equality. First we try to understand the democracy. Democracy basically it a combination of two words, demo plus cracy. Demo mean people and cracy mean the government, mean people's government. So, in short, we can say that democracy is a form of government which is run by the people, for the people, and from the people. Or we can say that democracy is a form of government which is run by the elected representative. Now we move to first part of our chapter on behalf of this democracy. That is the constitution. The reflection of the constitution that is in our preamble. As you have seen on your first page of every book that begin with the preamble, or either especially the social science books that start with the preamble. On the first page the preamble is given you. So this preamble, it is a short introduction to our constitution, where you can see the line that is written there, the we the people of India, like this one. So it is a introduction of our constitution, that when we have completed our constitution, when we adopted our constitution on 26th of 1950, that is enforced in our country. And constitution basically it is a set of rule and regulation according to which country's government work or function. So that is the constitution, and under this constitution there are so many fundamental rights, duties were added. All the people, they have all equal status, they all are part of our constitution. Different religion, different caste, they are a part of our constitution. When India got a freedom, there are so many challenges there: casteism, poverty, illiteracy, which weakened the Indian society. But our constitution framer, they work, they take over these all problems, and India adopted for the secularism, where the everyone they are free to follow any religion, or there is no discrimination on the basis of color, caste, or religion, especially the religion, and there is no particularly state religion. So that is the secularism, the word that is used in your book. The second one, that is the second word that is given in your book on first page, that is the equality. I mean, every citizen they treat equally by the state, or they all have a equality of status and opportunity. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion, gender, color, caste, race, and place of birth, etc. The second one, which make our constitution stronger and make our country more strong, that is the universal adult franchise. When the person on the age of 18 and above 18, they have a right to cast their vote without any discrimination of color, caste, religion, language. That is a reflection of our country, that a feature of our democracy, that every person have a right to vote. or we can say one man one vote. Mean every person have a right to vote and the value of vote that is equal. In this way, every citizen of country they have a strong weapon in their hand, that is the right to vote. On the behalf of that, they can choose their representative, and these representative, after winning the election, they do work for the peoples, or they take over all the problem on the behalf of the peoples and try to solve them. There is a elected representative is there, or another second part, that is the um, opposition is there also. Opposition is there. They have a close watch on the activities of the representative to guard their interest as granted by our constitution. That is the main role of opposition parties. When we're talking about the party, so we know, we try to understand what is the party or what is a political party. Political party, it is basically a organized group or a group of people, those who having a same ideology or adopting a policies and a program. That's called the political party. And one more word that is used in your book, that is the independent candidate. The candidate, the person who don't belong to any of political party to contest the elections. So I complete it by tomorrow, and now I'm sending you some question answer of your first chapter of your medieval period, and daily I'm going to update your question answer of each chapter. Thank you.